Hi guys, I'm Hord and welcome to Java programming tutorial. Right now I'll be taking you through the process of creating a pi button, a factorial button, and also a button for square and square root. So from our last tutorials we've covered tan, cos and sine, and I'd like you to copy this button and paste. So bring down here and let's change this to pi. Right click on the button, go to events, action performed. So this is where you enter your code. Now first of all, let's create a value to a variable to save the data for pi. Double pi equals math dot pi, and next we say, just in case the user does not impute any number but just wants to know the value of pi, we say if screen dot get text dot equals this, that is empty, that is if the user does not impute anything. What should happen? Screen dot set text string dot value of, and there we say pi. Alright, so next, now if the user enters a value, what should happen? Let's say else number one equals double dot pass double, and what do we want to pass? Screen dot get text and close. So now for this for this tutorial, since we are using pi and we've declared pi here, we'll be saying pi, that's the pi we declared, equals number one times pi. So next we change screen dot set text string dot value of, and in here we'll be saying pi. So if you right click and run your file, so if you click pi now, we get the, click pi, we get the value of pi 3.14159, blah blah blah. Now if you clear your screen and say 3 pi, you get 3 times the value of pi. If it's 43 pi, you get 43 times the value of pi, so on and so forth. That's how we're going to be fixing the pi. So next we move to factorial to get the factorial of a number. Now getting factorial is used in mathematical equations most times. So copy this button and paste and change this to factorial. Right click on it, go to events, action performed. Now first of all, the factorial, when calculating factorial, you go from the number you want to calculate downwards, multiplying each number one after the other. So for example, if we're going to find 5 factorial, we go from 1, 2, 3 and 4, multiplying each number 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 to get 5 factorial. So this is what we're going to be doing. To get the factorial, we'll be using a loop, and that would, first let's declare the values. Int I, second int fact, let's make this one. Now number one will be equal to double dot pass double screen dot get text. So we'll be saying now for I, that is this value here. Let's create the loop. So for I equals 1, next we'll say I less than number 1, and finally what do we want? We want I plus plus. So it goes from the value of 1 to the value less than the number you have imputed. So what should happen? Say fact equals, that's the factorial value, equals fact times I, then screen dot set text equals string dot value of, and in here we'll say fact. So if you right click and run file, so 2 factorial, sorry, I made a mistake here. This is meant to be double, so I click on run file. So 12 factorial is going to be 3.91168 times 10 raised to the power 7. So let's find 4 factorial 6. Let's find 10 factorial 36, 362, 880. So like that, that's how to find factorial of any value. So next we'll be going to square root. Or let's fix the square first. Let's fix square. I think we should copy this. So SQRT, so SQR. And now for the square, just right click, go to event, action performed. Now the square is very simple to fix. So simply say number 1 equals double dot pass double. Yeah. And what do we want here? String dot get text. So all you have to do is just do number 1 times number 1. So number 1 equals number 1 times number 1, and screen dot set text and string dot value of, what do we want here? Number 1. So you have successfully done the square, and we can now test that. If we find the square of 4, it's 16. Square of 3 is 9. Square of 2 is 4.7. So now we're going to be finding square roots. Go to your design view, copy this button and paste. So we have this. This time just add a T to the end. I think we should reduce this a bit. Okay, so right click, go to events, action performed. For square root, what do we need? Number 1, first of all, equals double dot pass double screen dot get text. And now next will be double square roots. Sorry, double square roots equals math dot now SQRT square root of number 1. And next thing, just say screen dot set text is what string dot value of what do we want there, square root. So right click and run file. Square root of 14 3.7, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 3 is 1.73. Okay, let's find square root of this square 4, square root, square root, square root. Now you can easily find your pi, factorial, square, and square root in those simple methods. Thanks for watching the tutorial. See you in the next class. Have a nice day.